I saw a woman just suddenly appear in front of me. Believe me, it's real. It's real.
Where am I? What's with all these moving boxes? Why is everything so different?
Princess Mei Lyn wandered through towering steel streets. The world around her felt loud, bright, and impossibly strange. In her time, signals were sent by drums and flags. But here, colors from a metal box commanded the streets. She watched the locals carefully, hoping their actions would explain this strange world. Then, it hit her. Is the necklace and the sneeze the moment everything changed? Could such a simple reflex truly pull her across worlds? If a sneeze brought her here, perhaps another could take her home. And so began the royal quest to force a sneeze. The feather trick worked on her maids back home. But today, destiny had other plans. Her royal dignity was fading fast. Sneezeless and stranded, she wondered, will she forever trapped here? Wandered through the bustling street, her eyes caught something strange behind a glass window.
Why is there a giant doll trapped inside this glass? And why does it dress stranger than me? And I accidentally activated another secret ability.
And then, in the reflection beside the strange glass doll, she saw herself.
Oh my God.
Dressed in a style she never chose, Mei Lyn wandered into a vast green garden surrounded by towering buildings. Whispers turned into excitement. Lenses appeared from nowhere. To them, she looked like a star. Someone famous. Someone unreal. Overwhelmed by the eyes and flashes, Mei Lyn made a simple decision: to disappear. She abandoned the things that made her noticeable, hoping the world would finally stop watching. But New York had one final surprise waiting for her. A scent so powerful, so unforgiving. It reached her before she could escape.
Achoo!